In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and customize a calendar in Notion. We'll walk through the steps together, ensuring that by the end, you'll have your very own calendar set up with ease. Let's dive right in. First, make sure you're in your Notion workspace where you want to add your calendar. The workspace is essentially your personal or team hub in Notion. Now, within any page in the workspace, you'll need to type in a / followed by the word calendar. This shortcut is a handy feature in Notion that allows you to add various types of content, and here it'll enable you to insert a calendar block. After typing, you'll see several options, and here you want to click on Calendar View. This option will instantly transform your workspace page. You'll see an empty calendar grid where you can begin to organize events, tasks, or anything you wish to keep track of. Now, you may be wondering, what can you do with this calendar? Notion's calendar is not just for dates and times, it's customizable. You can click on any date and add notes, reminders, or links to other pages, making it a dynamic tool to manage your schedule. If you prefer a different starting day for your week, for instance, from Sunday to Monday, Notion lets you customize that as well. To change the starting day of the week, you'll need to navigate to your settings. Look to the left corner of your workspace and find the Settings button. Clicking this will open your Settings menu. Inside your settings, select Preferences. Here you'll find various options to tailor your Notion experience. One of these options is regarding the start of your calendar week. There should be a toggle switch to change the start week from Sunday to Monday. Simply turn it on if that's your preference. Now, your calendar will begin each week from Monday, giving you a fresh start to your work week if that's how you're accustomed to organizing your time. And there you have it. You've just created your calendar in Notion and customized it to fit your weekly flow better. This setup is especially beneficial for keeping track of projects, deadlines, and personal appointments all in one place. Notion empowers you to streamline and simplify your scheduling in a way that's visually appealing and highly functional. If you have any more Notion tips or calendar customization preferences, feel free to explore Notion's Help Center for additional insights. Thanks for tuning in today, and I hope you enjoy using your new calendar. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and guides, and leave a comment below if you have any questions. Happy organizing!